Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to day 2. So have you ever left your job or the store and just still felt like the chaos from the outside world was just seeping into your soul? Well, if so, I have the perfect flow for you to unplug from the matrix and bring you back to your true self. So meet me at the top of your mat, ground down through your feet, really find nice rooted center here. And let's begin by inhaling the arms, reaching them all the way up, exhaling hands to prayer and landing them right onto the third eye space. Starting with this mantra: I deserve stillness, spaciousness, and silence. With every movement that I make, I'm letting go of the need for approval or acceptance that could still be lingering in my body. And release the arms down, moving forward with that intention. Find a nice bend through the knees. Find some buoyancy here. Bend down, circle right arm back. Squeeze the glutes. Awesome. Switch it left.
I love my life in every single way. It's like riding the high of summer days.
Nice.
It's like capturing vibes that's tucked away. My deepest gratitude.
Circle both arms up and down.
Alternatives, most of them be hurting in. Contrary to this joy that we submerging in. I wanna hold it.
Washing the body clean with each arm movement. Hold at the top. Reach all the way up. Big inhale. Exhale. Cross the arms.
Do I escape or do I ride? But I
Nice.
let these feelings subside, Recalibrate my faith and I decide, Don't worry about me, got my peace of mind. I'ma get it in.
Hold here. Hands can come to prayer. Root down through the right foot, all four corners pressing into the mat. Inhale, left foot comes right down to the ankle for your lower tree pose. Finding your center here. Maybe even closing your eyes to really test your balance. Beautiful. Inhale, left knee comes up. Find a drishti point, something to stare at, to hold your balance, and exhale to send the left leg back for warrior 3. That left thigh is pointed down towards the mat. Inhale to bring the left foot right back to the ankle into your tree. Exhale, extend left leg back. Squeeze the left glute, flex the left foot for warrior 3. Inhale, left foot's gonna plant right back on the ankle. Exhale back for your warrior 3. Inhale to bring it back. Sending that left foot right onto the ankle again. Start to take the arms in prayer up, swing them down. One more time up. Finding balance even through this flowing movement. Beautiful. Right hand can come to the waistline, left arm comes out. Tap the toe on that left side, right over to the right. This time, take the foot right, center, back. Nice. Tapping the toe each time. Nice. You got it. Awesome. Inhale all the way up. Exhale, hands can come to prayer. Ground down through the left toes. Left foot pressing all the way into the mat. Bringing that right foot onto the left ankle. Breathing here and finding your center. Find your drishti point, something to stare at. Inhale, reaching the right knee up. Exhale to send it back for your warrior 3. Inhale, right foot can come to the left ankle, holding in your tree. Inhale. Exhale, extend right leg back, flex the right glute. Inhale, right foot to the ankle. Exhale, extend, hold here for just a moment.
Comes in knowing that in a corporeal way you might be burned alive, scorched.
And let's take the right ankle onto the left thigh.
Flash.
Coming into a seated half
Have you
lotus.
discovered who you are yet?
Finding your balance through your drishti point, releasing out through the hips, letting go of any tension that we're carrying around, any baggage that we might be holding on to emotionally. Breathing here.
It's gonna happen now.
Exhaling out. Inhale back up. Sending the right toes out to the side. Releasing the arms down. Take right toes over to the left and back. Nice. Squeeze the right oblique, pointing through that right foot. Nice. This time, taking the toe out to the left, back to the right, and back. And when you take the foot back, tap with the left hand.
Patterns of my own gray matter. New pathways help escape old habits and galaxy inside where I made a sacred lines in a geometric shape.
Got it. This time, tap when you come out to the front and tap when you come to the back. Nice. Awesome. Woo! Hold here. Feet can come to about hip width apart. Bending deeply through the knees. Thumbs come to third eyes. You just place them right there. Begin to circle to the left. Nice. This time take it to the right. Squeezing your core and your glutes each time. Holding here, inhale it up. Exhale, hands to heart. Step right foot back to come into your lunge. Deep 90-degree bend into that left side on the ball of that back foot. Nice. And let's switch left to right into your lunge. Nice. Finding a little bounce in your step if that feels good for you. You got this. Squeezing your core each time. And let's end with that left foot back. Right knee is bent. Bringing the knee up and back. Nice. Squeeze your left glute each time. You got this. Beautiful. Both toes come together and just tap that heart. Nice. And let's step the right foot back. Bring the right knee up and down. Nice. This is the beginning. Transmissions on ascending. We on a mission of ascending. Tending to the internal garden of a thought. To awareness, blending us with the oneness. Step that right foot back. Turn the right toes to 45 degrees. Bend through the left leg to come into warrior one. Inhale the arms up. Open up through the heart. Turn the toes out to the right to warrior two. Inhale, right arm meets the left. Exhale, open. Inhale it up. Step that left foot back, coming into warrior one. Left toes are at 45 degrees, deep bend. Inhale the arms up. Exhale, open. Sending that left arm forward and back. Excellent. Turning the toes out to the left. Coming back into your warrior two. Take the palms up and down. Nice. Taking it back to your warrior one, so toes come to 45 degrees. Inhale it up, lifting up the right heel, lowering back down. Chakra, I learned that from thought. Now we're running through dimensions with a seed of light. Expressing through my heart and breaking through ego. Now somehow plant the hand, step left foot to meet the right. Step the right foot back, right toes to 45. Circle the arms down, lift up through that left toes. So that left heel comes up, balancing on the left heel, actually, reaching up, bringing in so much good energy from what you're creating here in your practice. Last one, hold at the top, extend the toes, balancing on the heel. And a lower down, come back to the knees. Inhale the arms up. Holding your gaze up. Release the arms. Take the right leg out, thumbs to third eye. Bring yourself center, take the left leg out.
This is a dream that we're all co-creating simultaneously.
Beautiful.
Game or something. Oh, you got it.
Last one, bring the knees back together. Let's end our practice today by just inhaling the arms all the way up. Hands are going to come into prayer position, lowering the hands right into the brow line, that third eye space, pressing to activate your intuition finally as we end our practice and bring everything that we've created into our world. Settling into our inner world and being prepared to move into the outer world with that strong sense of self. And remembering that it is worth the risk to be misunderstood, and it is none of your business what anyone thinks is normal or what people think of you. What matters most is what you think of yourself. Stay blissed, stay blessed, and thank you so much for practicing with me today. See you tomorrow. Bye.